Hello. Greetings from night 11. I'm on tour and there's a lot to do when one's on tour. I'm so grateful for the hype men and women who were gifted to me, that vibe with my mission and are like building flyers for me, telling their friends, grabbing people off the street and being like, yo, you gotta stretch with this guy. So that took a little bit of like less for me to do, which was nice. But I really love the going out. So there's the going out, and then there's a lot coming in, right? Like, so like the feedback and then like remembering all the interactions or like the skepticisms and then so I'm trying to like write them down and like process it and remember what happened in which city. So that's really fun, because I love journaling. We know this. If you've ever heard me geek out about journaling, you know. So yeah, so a lot of output, a lot of input, and I'm really happy to say I have landed safely in Chicago. I'm at my cousin Angela's place. Angela, we grew up, she was out on Long Island and I was in Queens, and I remember fond memories of hanging with her, and I've come out to Chicago to see her before, and now I'm back at her place with her little baby. I'm in her baby's room. She gave me the room for the night. Yeah, so it's nice to be inside. Last night I slept in my van in South Bend and it poured, so the rain is really loud. Again, the rain coming up. I don't mind rain, but it just kept me up. I did pass out around like 1 and like slept through till 6, like 5:30. And then I popped around South Bend a little bit more, home of our potential future president, Mayor Pete Buttigieg. And then, yeah, and then I drove over to Chicago. I saw some friends who were speaking at a convention, and yeah, convention centers, great place to stretch in public, to use Wi-Fi, to have free parking. It's a dream. Yeah, so now I'm doing Chicago. So if you're watching this live, is that a thing? Chicago, Friday I'm at Northwestern. Saturday I'm teaching at Coconut Yoga. I don't think you guys are watching this live, so just subscribe and I don't know, check out my website. I've got some fun stories on there, some fun videos, and you can always get yourself some stretching in public swag, a t-shirt, a bag, a tote bag, or a sticker, and I'm shipping everything from the road. I've got it in the spaceship, and I like going to the post office and talking to the post office people. They're all different in each state. It's really fun. Okay, I love you. Good night, or good evening, or good morning. Bye.